Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is lawn tennis. It is very important to all competitive exams. If you write any competitive examination, one or more questions are possible to ask from lawn tennis. The world's very famous professional game, that is lawn tennis. One of the maximum money earning games also, that is lawn tennis. This lawn tennis was designed in modern days. Who is that person? Modern game designer is Walter Clopton Wingfield. Modern lawn tennis designer is Walter Clopton Wingfield from Britain. He designed this modern lawn tennis in 1873. That's why this game was designed where? In, remember, that is Britain. Lawn tennis game was designed in Britain in 1873 by this Walter Clopton Wingfield. That person belongs to Britain. After that, one by one tournaments were started. But major tournaments in lawn tennis are 4 Grand Slam tournaments. Those are called Grand Slam tournaments. All over the worldwide, so many tournaments are conducted. But major tournaments in lawn tennis, Grand Slam tournaments, there are 4. All these tournaments are organized by ITF. ITF means International Tennis Federation. It was established in 1913 in London. This tennis federation was started in 1913 in London. But modern tennis was started in 1873. But International Tennis Federation was started in 1913. Headquarters located in London. We have to discuss about 4 Grand Slam tournaments. First, number 1, Australian Open. It was started in 1905. It is conducted in Melbourne. Melbourne, one famous city in Australia. In this place, this tournament is conducted. 1905 it was started. But total 109 editions were completed. Up to 2021, 109 editions means 109 times conducted. Because of world wars and some other incidents, some years did not conduct. That's why 1905 it was started, but total 109 times it was conducted. It is conducted on hard court. Generally, all over the worldwide, courts are 4 types. Number 1 is grass court. Number 2 is clay court. Number 3 is hard court. Number 4 is wooden court. But any major international tournament is not conducted in wooden court. All major tournaments in tennis are conducted on these 3 courts: grass court, clay court, hard court. But of all these 3, oldest court is grass court. First, tennis played on grass, lawn. That's why it is called lawn tennis. Next, French Open. French Open was started in 1891. French Open tournament was started in 1891. This tournament is conducted on clay court. French Open tournament is conducted on clay court. Famous stadium located in Paris. In that stadium it is conducted, that is Roland Garros Stadium. Roland Garros Stadium is very famous in the world for clay court. That court is located in Paris. You remember, French Open tournament was started in 1891. 125 times this tournament was conducted so far. It means 125 editions were completed. Located where? This tournament is conducted in Paris. It is conducted on clay court. French Open, 1891 it was started. Next, Wimbledon Open. It is the oldest of all Grand Slam tournaments. It was started in 1877. Wimbledon Open was started in 1877. But editions were completed less. 134 times this Wimbledon tournament was conducted. This tournament is conducted on grass court in London. Very famous stadium in London, that is Wimbledon Stadium. Cricket Makkah is called Lord's. How is there? Indian cricket Makkah is Eden Gardens. Same tennis Makkah is Wimbledon Stadium. It is located near London, outskirts of London. That is started in 1877. Wimbledon tournament started 1877. It is conducted on grass court. That's why oldest court of all these courts, that is grass court. That is, remember, of all 4 Grand Slam tournaments, which is oldest? That is Wimbledon. Next, US Open. US Open was started in 1881. 1881, but 140 editions were completed. Any break was not occurred to conduct this tournament. That's why 140 times this tournament was conducted. It is conducted in New York. It is also hard court tournament. US Open is also hard court. Australian Open is hard court. US Open is hard court. French Open is conducted on clay court. Wimbledon is conducted on grass court. Of all these 4 tournaments, very famous tournament field people in the world, that is Wimbledon Open. Next, we have to know some records in tennis. Maximum titles winner in men category, that person is Roger Federer. Roger Federer belongs to Switzerland. This person and this person both won 20 Grand Slam singles. Generally, this tournament is conducted in different categories. It means men singles, women singles, men doubles, women doubles, mixed doubles, wheelchair singles, wheelchair doubles, men category, women category. So many categories are conducted, but all over the worldwide, men singles and women singles are very crazy titles in this tennis. That's where Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal both got 20 Grand Slams. Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal, these 2 persons got 20 Grand Slams. Rafael Nadal belongs to Spain. Roger Federer got in these 20 Grand Slams, 6 are Australian Open, 1 is French Open, 8 are Wimbledon, and remaining 5 are US Open. First tournament is conducted every year is Australian Open. Second tournament is conducted every year is French Open. Third tournament is Wimbledon Open. Fourth tournament is US Open. Every year in the month of January or February, Australian Open is conducted in this world. And in the month of May or June, May ending and June first week, it is conducted, that is French Open. Wimbledon Open is conducted in the month of June and July. That is Wimbledon Open. Last, in the month of August and September, the tournament is conducted, that is US Open. Maximum Wimbledon title winner is also Roger Federer. Of all players, men players in the world, who won maximum Wimbledon Grand Slam singles, that person is Roger Federer. Rafael Nadal got also 20 Grand Slams. Rafael Nadal got 1 Australian Open, 13 French Open, 2 Wimbledon Open, and 4 US Open. But this person record what you remember? Maximum French Open Grand Slam singles winner is, that person is Rafael Nadal, Spain Bull. This person nickname is Spain Bull. That person got 13 Grand Slams. Only single man got 13 Grand Slam singles of any tournament. Of all these 4 tournaments, only 1 player got 13 Grand Slam singles. That person is in a single tournament, 13 Grand Slam singles. That person is Rafael Nadal. Next, third person is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic belongs to Serbia. This person got 19 Grand Slam singles. 19 Grand Slam singles. He got 9 Australian Open. This person got 9 Australian Open, 2 French Open, 5 Wimbledon, and 3 US Open. He got total 19 titles. He is called very famous as Joker in this world. That person, Novak Djokovic, got 9 Australian Open. Maximum Australian Open Grand Slam singles winner is Novak Djokovic. He got 9 titles. After that, French Open he got 2, Wimbledon Open 5, and finally US Open got 3. This person got 19 titles. After these 3 persons, Pete Sampras got 14 titles, Roy Emerson got 12 titles, but those are not playing. Present playing players, these 3 persons are top in the world in men category. Whenever you go to female category, Margaret Court, she played in 60s, 70s, that person got 24 Grand Slam singles, Margaret Court. But present playing women category people, Serena Williams got 23 Grand Slams, Steffi Graf 22. But in open era, which person got maximum title? That person is Serena Williams. The reason open era was started in 1968. Before that, not open era. That's why in open era, which lady got maximum Grand Slam singles? That person is Serena Williams, got 23 Grand Slam singles. Steffi Graf, 22 Grand Slam singles. She played from Germany, but now she settled in USA. This person is the only one person in the world, either male or female you take, only one person in the world got Golden Grand Slam. Golden Grand Slam means any person wins 4 titles in a single year, and also that person compulsory win Olympic medal. This situation occurs every 4 years once. It is possible to occur every 4 years only once. That is, this person got Golden Grand Slam in 1988. Roger Federer got Wimbledon titles continuously 5 times. Rafael Nadal also got continuously French Open 5 titles. First person got 4 titles in a single year. That person is Rod Laver. Rod Laver in 1969 got continuously 4 titles in a single year. In open era, whenever we take, first person got 4 titles in a single year. That person Rod Laver from Australia. Don Budge, before open era in 1937-38, he got continuous 6 titles from America. Don Budge got 6 continuous titles in 1937-38, but after that 4 titles in a single year in open era. Who is the person? Rod Laver. Youngest player got Grand Slam title is Boris Becker from Germany. He got at the age of 17 years only. He got overall 6 titles, but youngest person got Grand Slam singles is Boris Becker at the age of 17 years. But youngest female player got Grand Slam singles. That person is Martina Hingis from Switzerland. She got at the age of 16 Grand Slam singles Wimbledon. But generally below 18 years players are played under junior category, but she played with seniors category, and also she got Wimbledon Grand Slam singles. These are some important records we have to concentrate. But whenever you come to India point of view, tennis, actually All India Tennis Association was started in 1920 only. All India Tennis Association, AITA, was started in 1920. But any Indian could not win Grand Slam singles title so far. But in 1960 and 61, one Indian player entered to semi-finals of Wimbledon Grand Slam singles. That person name is Ramanathan Krishnan. He created record from India. That person is Ramanathan Krishnan. 1960 and 61, he entered into semi-finals. Vijay Amritraj entered into quarter-finals of Wimbledon singles in 1986. But these are records in Grand Slam singles. But doubles point of view, 4 Indians got double titles so far from our country. 4 Indians got doubles Grand Slam titles. First Indian got doubles Grand Slam is Mahesh Bhupathi in 1997. Mahesh Bhupathi got first Grand Slam title from India in doubles category. But maximum Grand Slams winner from India is Leander Paes. Leander Paes got 18 titles. Leander Paes got 18 Grand Slams. Maximum Grand Slams winner from India is Leander Paes. Sania Mirza, only one Indian woman won Grand Slam doubles. That person is, remember, Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza got 6 Grand Slam doubles. 6 Grand Slam doubles. Other Indian is Rohan Bopanna, also got Grand Slam double. Only one Grand Slam double he got. That's why 4 Indians got Grand Slam doubles so far. These are main points we have to remember about lawn tennis. Thank you.